What's up guys, this is Tampa Tech and I'm going to show you how to watch TV and send that audio to your Google Home speaker. Whether you have the Google Home Mini or the original Google Home speaker. So let's go ahead and get started. Now I pay for internet TV. Now if you have an Android TV, you could do this. If you have an Android TV box, you could do this. Or if you're like me, you watch TV using your computer, you can also send the audio from that to your Google Home speaker. But if you have, I would say DirecTV cable box or Chromecast TV box, you won't be able to send audio to your Google Home speaker. If you do switch over to internet TV, whether it's YouTube TV, Hulu TV, or DirecTV Now, you definitely save a whole bunch of money without a doubt. And you can watch TV anywhere using your phone. Now the first thing you want to do is open up the Google Chrome browser. Alright, once you open up your Google Chrome browser, you want to head on over to the upper right hand corner and click on the three dots. Go ahead and click on the menu. Then next you want to click on the word cast. Click on cast and you'll see all these different options. So you can cast your audio to TV, living room, kitchen speaker, office speaker. You can click on this arrow and you even share your screen. Just click on, you can cast your desktop or this tab, this internet tab. But I'm going to go ahead and show you how to send audio to your Google Home speaker. So I'm going to select my kitchen speaker, which is this one. Alright, now you can also adjust the volume right here. And you can stop by clicking on stop right there. Now you can also click on, there's a little icon in the upper right hand corner now. When you click on that, it'll make it disappear and reappear. And you can, of course, adjust the volume once again and stop. Or even switch to another speaker like this one. See? So anything that you're watching on the internet, that audio is going to send to your Google Home speaker. So whether it's YouTube, Netflix, Hulu, whatever you're watching. Now I subscribe to Hulu TV service, and let's go ahead and click on the upper bar right here.
West Villages, Florida, in Sarasota County, is a place where whatever meets whenever.
How cool is that?
Where you can find yourself simply by losing yourself.
Alright, now I'm going to switch it to the Google Mini. Click on that upper right hand corner and let's click on office speaker.
Secure home or a fancy economist to create safe housing.
Now I'm going to show you how to watch TV on your phone, or you could do it on your tablet, and cast the audio to your Google Home Mini or your Google Home if you prefer. So first thing you want to do is make sure your Google Home app is updated. And let's go ahead and turn on the Wi-Fi and location. Then you're going to click on your Google Home app, the menu button on the upper left. Next, you're going to select right here where it says cast screen and audio. There's a little cast icon. Select that. And select that again, cast screen or audio. We're going to cast it to this is the office speaker. There we go, it's connected. And next, let's go ahead and, well, from this point on, you can watch YouTube and I'll send the audio to your speaker. But let's go ahead and watch Hulu TV. That's what I promised you guys. You watch TV and send it to your Google Home speaker. And right here is my channels. And I can change the channel by swiping. I'm going to select CNN. Select that, hit play. Right here.
And I think in many ways he's been a disastrous Secretary of State.
And you can pause it, and it pauses on the speaker as well. And to disconnect, you simply just go back into the app and select disconnect. So guys, if you know anyone that this video will help, go ahead and click on the share button below and help someone out. If you found this video informative, give me a big thumbs up. If you want more how-to videos like this coming your way, subscribe to Tampa Tech. Click on the subscribe link right here or down below. If you want to check out my other Google product videos, click on this Google playlist right here. Thanks guys for watching.